Denver Nuggets. Halos hindi makascore sila lahat, guys. Kaya pala ang laki ng lamang ng Wolves. Kasi grabe yung depensa nila, pinaplanuhan talaga nila na hindi makascore. Tingnan natin, guys. Grabe. Hindi pizza si Jokic. Isa ng Wolves, guys. Tingnan nyo si Murray. Grabe. Double team na yun. Hindi talaga sila makascore kasi pinaplanuhan talaga nila. Grabe yung depensa. Halos hindi makagalaw. What's up, guys? Grabe, guys. Grabe yung depensa ng Wolves. Tingnan natin, guys, kung paano nila dinipinsa yung